Hello, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and as we all know, I bought a new camera, which is a Canon EOS R. I do not have my case built for it yet, so I went up to Harbor Freight and got me another rigid case to go off my pack-out kit. These are the cases I normally use for all my camera gear and my lights. I find them durable, strong, they've lasted. I've never had any issues of them cracking or anything like that, or any of my camera gear getting wet or damaged using these cases. Again, there's always pros and cons. Everyone always has pros and cons about something. I don't have any cons about this case because, again, they work perfectly for me. And also, I can use them for Apple boxes. I can stand on them or have the subject stand on them. I can sit on them. They're great. Strong, durable. I do not have my Kaizen foam for this yet, so I'm waiting for it so I can actually cut out the inserts. So I might do a video on how I set up that whole setup of the cutting the Kaizen foam and installing it in, and how I figure out my layouts for this kit. Now these run about $29 for this one. Now I was right next door to Home Depot is Harbor Freight, and I needed some grommets, so I went over to Harbor Freight, and then I seen this case. Now I've seen the videos on this case, but finally I decided to pick one up because I had the 25% coupon code or coupon. So normally this is $89 and I got it for a lot less. It comes with 2 layers of pluck foam. I'm going to put Kaizen foam in it. I don't like pluck foam. I'm going to actually keep it 2-tiered. So one tier will house some lights, the other tier will hold the camera, and I will put a piece of MDF, 1/8 MDF onto the back of my Kaizen foam to make it rigid, and so I can just pull it out and then get to the underneath layer. It has a pull-out handle here in the back, and it has casters, and it will fit an overhead bin on an airplane. It is weather sealed as well. Again, this one's already kind of preset up, so if you're looking for something to store your camera gear in, this one's already got the pluck foam. You can actually use that if you like, but I'm not a fan of pluck foam. It seems to be strong, durable. Watching the videos on YouTube about this, it shows that it's strong and durable. So if you're looking for something to store your camera gear in, this case or this case might be your option. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.